Hi, my name is Daniela Saldarriaga. I am 30 years old and I am studying psychology. I am polite, I am quiet, flexible, and very happy. This is my kitchen. There is a big and black stove. There is a small and old cooking pot. There are cheap and black cups. I like to drink my coffee there. This is my living room. There is a big and black sofa. There is an expensive TV. There is a dangerous balcony. I do not like it. It's not safe to walk there. This is my room. There is a new and soft bed. There is a dark and locked closet. There is a brown table. I like to sleep there. Thank you.